Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your signature on AOL Mail. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and start the video. Talking about signature is the end product or the end messages which you can leave while you send your message to other people. So if you enable the signature, your personal message will appear on the last of your messages. So I'm going to teach you how you can change it. So what you need to do is open any browser on your PC and go to AOL. After you go to AOL Mail, log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see this type of interface on your screen. Now to change your signature, go to settings over here, which is the gear icon, and go to more settings and go to writing email. After you go to writing email, you can see that this is my signature right now. If your signature has not been turned on, just go ahead and turn it on, and you can see that this type of signature can be added. Now to change your signature, remove the signature and you can write whatever you want. So you can see that there are options like you can add some emojis, you can add some links, so you can write down your display text and write down the link over here or paste it and it will appear as a hyperlink. You can make your text bold, italic. You can see the changes you can make on the text color or highlight color, and you can even change the font size, and you can finally align everything. So this is quite easy. You can see that the strike through was enabled. To disable it, just go ahead and press it again. Now let's write down a smart and appealing signature for yourself. So after you're done, just go ahead and click back. And if you want to look at your signature again, go back to the writing email, and there you go. You can see that you have now changed your signature, and this will appear each time after you reply to some people or after you send or compose an email to someone. If you want to disable it, it's quite easy. Just go ahead and click on this button over here and you no longer will have a signature. So guys, this is how you change your signature on AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.